Okay, fine. If you want to apply a condition basis, you can apply the style binding as well. For that, I'm using again is to type apply style binding on a condition. Okay, so just I can apply again, use a syntax square bracket, then use a style as a attribute, then use a dot operator and mention your CSS property name. For example, I'm using a color CSS property. Okay, and equal to bind your property, but on condition basis. I have to mention here the condition. For example, I mentioned that rating, okay, rating is a property. Rating is less than 4. Okay, if this condition is true, then I use to apply a red color. Okay, otherwise I'm using green color. Okay, here I'm using a ternary operator. The ternary operator will learn in a Typescript as well. Same syntax we have to use. Okay, I'm using a color name in a single quote. Okay, why we use here single quote? Because in double quote, if you have to mention any string, then you have to use a single quote in that. Okay, if you don't mention any single quote here, then it treated as a property. Okay, so for that, just separate out the property and a string. Then we can mention here a single quote. Red and green is your color name, and that is a string format. So we can mention here single quote. Then rating is a property. We have to create that first. Create the rating property whose type is a number, and we can mention here is a 2. Initially, we can make it as a rating true 2. Okay. Now, in that case, what will happen? A rating is 2. Rating less than 4. Is this condition is true? Hello, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, this condition is true. Then red color is applied to this text. If rating is changed, if condition is false, then green color will be applied. Initially, now our rating is 2, so red color will be applied. Just cross check it. So see here, apply style binding on condition. Red color is applied. If sometimes I've changed that rating value, for example, 21. Okay. Now rating less than 4. 21 is less than 4. Is this condition is true? No.
False.
False. Then green color, it is mentioned here green, the green color is applied to that text. So that apply style binding on condition, green color is applied. So on the basis of a condition as well, you can use a style binding, because most of the cases we have to set a condition, but on that condition we have to change the color. For example, where when we do any rating of any product, if rating is less than 2.5, all these things, then that color will be changed. If you're rating your greater than 2.5 or 3, in that case we display that color is a different for to the end user. In that case, we use a style binding, because we have to apply the style to the that HTML element dynamic. For that, we use for such scenario, use